big and small. Here is Ryan with a tennis ball. And then comes James playing basketball.
My ball is bigger than yours.
There are two balls here. One is a tennis ball and other is the basketball. And we can see that basketball is big and the tennis ball is small. Big. Small. Similarly, here we have a mouse and an elephant. Well, we can see that the mouse is small and the elephant is big. Small. Big. Likewise, here we have a ship and a boat. So, which one is small and which one is big? Yes, the boat is small and the ship is big. Small. Big. Hope you guys now know about big and small sizes. Thank you.